Guys, you don't have to talk about the another one. Come and do it. You're the best one. Surgery, it's very perfect. And you guys also, the boss, I like the boss. The boss is like me. Do it. You have to do. My name is Steve Rotter. I'm from Los Angeles, United States. And the job is boarding care facility and the family business uptake. Yeah, because long time, I got the problem with the all teeth, and I lose maybe 1 week, 3 of them, and they start much waste. Okay, bad time, and I can eat. I can, very it's difficult, but very happy. I find it, you guys, and very happy. And the number, before I did some of implants from Moldova, very bad. I was worse at that time, but that friend, he sent it to me, to you guys. Oh, it's I'm very happy you find it, and you all medical is very good, and I love the people, you guys, and surgery, it's very perfect. Because I know with the surgery, but the first surgery, everything is perfect, nothing, just this best job what I see in the guy. Okay, I start with the personality. It's very good, quite very patient, and the quality in the Moldova, it's like blah blah blah, looking only for something, money or I don't know. But it's my friend also. But I have to go anyway. And very bad. It's old style, nothing new. In the Moldova, nothing new, old style, nothing new. The materials is gone, couples gone, and no good quality. Okay, and the United States, I do couple of times surgery, but take off, Also, guys, you're the best one. United States, I think so. Maybe after 50 years, maybe she changed it, but not now. You guys the best, the best. I'm very happy to find it, you guys. Long time, long way, but okay. The safety, it's safety. I told you how many last year, this year, safety. For myself, I like, and my country, I come, and the people, you guys, I'm very like family. This is number one. And for flight, I fly 70,000 kilometers. I fly it from Hawaii to Los Angeles to Istanbul to Antalya. Anyway, I look for the best job. You do, guys, the best job. That's why it's not important where I come from. This is a good thing. That's why I'm very happy about this. I just hear somebody, but I make somebody. Oh, yeah. You're right. Somebody told me about you can fly it nearly to Mexico. No. It's not safety. First one. Also, it's not. You guys, you keep going like real time, And the Mexico is going with an old job, I think so. The surgery is too dangerous, and can live over there is too dangerous. But tools, I think so. It's not like you guys, because I know we talk about I have also experience for the surgery because my business is close to us but I'm very happy. You have a good designer, you have good choice, whatever you want. This is more important. Well, there is maybe 2, 3, and that's it. But you guys, you provide service, you provide material, you provide the tools, you provide everybody who work with me, and you guys also, the boss. I like the boss. The boss is like me. Yeah, communication is very good. it's very good and clear, not blah blah blah, just do a job. And the personal is very patient, it's very nice people, guys, you have. Hopefully your company making more power and keep going. Yeah, thank you. The surgery, because I have I think so I have 9 implants from Moldova. Yeah, I have for the guy who do the surgery, it's very hard, but they do perfect. I never feel some very bad, but some feel I feel some, but he do nice job on that time last year. Do nice. I love, and surgery I can feel it just regular, you know, like do something, because if you something the guy said say if you need, you can tell me and he help. He can put another injection or some of. If you say if you want to do rest, okay, not the problem. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Yes, the doctor, he's the first time I visit the boss. I have met the boss. He told me perfect. Okay, you want this, and my opinion. I have to choice, and special because I have old implant. He do the right way, in the best way, because I feel it. He want to save it, the implants. He want to save it, my teeth. He want to help me do the perfect, and he give to me lots of choices. This is more important. The color, what I want to the different taste, different color, different whatever. I love the doctors and the boss and you guys. You best. I'm very happy. You the guy, you the boss. Guys, you don't have to talk about the another one. Come and do it, because you safe. You have good choice, and it's good for health. And for surgery, I told you, you don't have to scare about surgery. Everything is number 1. I think so on the Turkish also. All Turkish number 1, Myra dent. You come and do. I'm very happy now. I'm very happy about what job he did. The doctor and the 100% is good for me. Myra dent, yeah. Thank you, and thank you, the boss. I love the boss. He has a lot of experience. This is more important. You have experience. You have good job. You do good job, and thank you. Very happy, guys. Come and never scared about nothing. This is healthy. I travel a lot, but the first visit I come, I'm very happy with the Myra dent, and do it. You have to do.